Yeah, so this is a clean slate of the chart. So what I'm going to be doing here is that I'm going to be drawing the trend line here and also the the angles. So please, you need to actually understand something. And the thing is, the fact is that when drawing trend line or angles, you need to ensure that, let me zoom it. You need to ensure that you are making enough touches with with the wicks. You are making enough touch, at least not less than two. But if you want to draw a, an upper trend line, now let me show you something. Hope I get a perish. Okay, let me show you something. This is trend line now. Trend line two. So this now, see, sorry, um, sorry, sorry. Can use any of this one, but I just want to show you something. So now, if you are in a downtrend, if you are in a downtrend, your trend line would be above. Are you getting? See it now. We're in a downtrend here at this point. Okay, let me exit it. Let me cancel. Let me delete it. So click on it and click on the bin. Okay now. So here now you can see that we've been in an uptrend since November. See it here now. This is November. So we've been in a clear uptrend since November. So let me increase the font. So now I want to draw my trend line. I've seen that we're in an uptrend. Sorry. So now I want to draw my uptrend now. I can decide to start from anywhere. So I would like to start from this place. So you pick your trend line tool, trend line. So you draw, can decide it must make enough touches. That is the main aim of this. Should make enough touches. Wait, I'm coming. Sorry. So you can see it made enough touches. So now this is our upper um this thing, upper trend line. There's something we call channel. Channel is just when you draw one above and one below. So let me draw the one above now. Still the same process. Make ensure that there are touches. So now I want to start from here. So sorry. So now I have my upper trend. You can see that when price was when this is price was ranging in this way. The price in this place, price was um sorry, let me zoom in. Price was moving upwards. I taught you something about wave already. I told you something about wave already. So now you can see that in this place now, price touched this support the support trend line and then went back up. Price was trading in this range, but in the wave aspect I told you that sometimes when maybe the V now, the V may it may be that the V wave this thing may actually shoot up small before it come down, or maybe the N may shoot down. Shey you get that? You can see the pattern from, so in this place we got that and price still came back in. We like Price came back in and kept on ranging. So now we need a clear break. So now we already saw that okay, price broke um below this trend line. It could have either been above or below, but now we can see that price broke below this trend line now. We had a break here, a doji, a pin bar, we had an inverted hammer, a bearish candle, bullish Arami candle, then we had this two here now. So now the thing is that you need to understand that in the market anything can happen, anything can happen. So now price may the way price came out here now, look at this place now. We got three three white soldiers here now, and then price still enter back inside the distance. So definitely this may just be a fake out. It may be that price might still go inside this, go back inside this trend line. So what do you do now? We'll just like try to draw a zone. We'll try to draw a zone like that will give us an idea. So now this is going to be my zone. I'm going to be using this to draw my zones or my zone. So this this is what I'm going to be using to draw my zone, or I think this one is too close to price. Okay, it isn't. So minus 10,000 and 10,000. So now what do I want to see? What do I want to see? Now this is now my zone now. So what I want to see is that I want to see if price would actually break break below. If price should break below this my zone, it means I can actually take this trade and like sell. But it may be that price will retest at this point and then shoot back up, or it may not even get to this point and shoot back up. So you know of your the last class I taught you about drawing zones, drawing zones. So assuming maybe I add zones here now, maybe at this point, let me look for maybe at this point now. This is an engulfing candle. So at this point, you you took a trade and then price went down. It broke that the support I drew close to the trend line. So if price should break it, I can definitely ride up to this part. And that is also the usefulness of drawing upward. You can see the usefulness of drawing upward and downward support and resistance now. So nobody can predict that this is where price is going to go to. We just like make this is a minor support, a minor resistance. Then this is an higher one. This one is an higher one now. So definitely, if price should actually go back, I'll wait. If price should go back and maybe turn, go back now. If sorry, if price is going to maybe retest, maybe it didn't get to this place, or maybe now retested, you got to this point now, price was now going back up, price was now going back up. You can decide to take, if you see maybe a bullish engulfing candle at this point, you can decide to take a trade up to this trend line here. Or better still, when price gets to this place now, when price gets to this trend line now, price may go get there and then come down back again, or price may decide to break this trend line again and start going back up again. So there are different scenarios. Price may hit this point or may not even get there and start going back up and come down back again. Shey you get now? Sorry, let me show you what I'm saying. Price may get to this point now. Price will get to this point now, this place here now. Then price may now, sorry, then price may now like, price doesn't move in a straight line, hope you know, it moves in wave. So price may now like reach here. At this point, you can take a buy order if your candlestick pattern, maybe say a bullish engulfing candle a bullish Arami candle, you can take your trade to the to this place here. Shey you understand now? You can write it up back there. But what I'm saying now is that first of all, price may not even get up to this place before it reverse it when market opens on Monday. So or better still, if price doesn't get am, price now start to move up back, price may now get here now and when e gets to this point, e may now come down back again. So but not to miss all these trades, you need to be conversant about your zone. So when price reach here now, you can and you get a engulfing um buy here, you can decide to take a buy order. Or price may actually break um below this place now. So you can just ride it up to this point here. You can ride it up to this point if it should break below this. But if it should test this place, it may get up here. Once it get up to this place, it can break this point and start to go up again. Or it can retest this place and come down back like what we got in this place here now. So you can see price went up and came down back again. So that is what I want to show you concerning the trend line trading. And then you need to also wait for confirmation. Like let's assume that we got a break here now. As we got a break in this point, sorry, as we got a break in this point here now, where we got um a bullish candle break. You wait for the second candle to close before you now take your trade because price may come out here and may actually be a fake out and it will now be a bearish engulfing candle bearish bar that you bearish candles that you're going to see. Or if you see maybe after this one, you now see a doji, please wait before you take your trade. Now, if you go to the 1 hour chart, it will be much more clearer. So, where is it now? Huh? And I will have made it. Sorry, let's just use the 4 hours um chart because I'm using the same color of rectangle, so I don't want to confuse you guys. So I just hope you understand this. Your knowledge of candlestick too is very important. So thank you.